In this lesson, we're gonna talk about an important property called flexWrap. First, let's get rid of this line of code. Then let's make this 100 pixels. Let's make them only 90. Okay. Now let's try to add more views. So for example, let's add a one view with the color gray, and let's add another one with the color green. Let's copy this and add another one. Now look, when we added two views, the yellow view got shrunk. It's not the size of it. If you see here, it must be 90 and 90, but it got shrunk because no space to it. So to solve this problem, we need to add flexWrap property. So go up here in the container view and add this property. It's called flexWrap. The default value is no wrap. We're gonna use the wrap value and press save. See, if you see here, the gold view now appeared and it's not shrunk because we've wrapped our views. But we have here an issue. Why our views go at the top, not in the center? Because when you implement flexWrap, align items can't center vertically anymore. So you need to use another property called align content. So this property called align content, when you pass the value of center, now you can center it in the screen.